Hello, I'm Loyd from DIY Mind Design. I'm going to show you an easy way to make an action method notebook from a plain spiral notebook. The action method is from the popular business book Making Ideas Happen, written by Scott Belsky, the CEO of Behance. This is what one looks like on the action method website. You can get different sizes and colors. The action method website has some basic instruction for how to use the action method notebook. Prepare, Brainstorm, Action Steps, and Backburner. Let's see how to make an action notebook easily. You need a blank notebook that has side-by-side pages like a book. A simple spiral notebook will do. I prefer 8.5 by 11 so there's plenty of space on the pages. You start with blank pages, and the left-hand page is for notes. You may take notes during a presentation, reading a book or article, attending a lecture, or brainstorming. On the right-hand side, draw a horizontal line on the top ruled line with a straight edge. Next, draw a vertical line about 1/3 from the right edge. Then, write labels on the top of the page for project/idea, date, and action steps. Next, draw a horizontal line in the left column about 1/3 down from the top and label it prep/focus. Then label the section below that notes/thoughts. Next, draw a horizontal line in the right-hand column 3 or 4 spaces from the bottom and label the section Backburner. Then repeat this process for new pages. I use the Prep Focus section for more details about the idea or project and what the final result will look like. Then I use the Notes/Thoughts section to work through what needs to be done, how, and when it needs to be done. In the Action Step column, I enter my first step, draw a line under it, and enter my next step, draw a line under that, and so on. The Backburner section is for actions or ideas you want to implement in the future. Here's an example of a notebook I used to record notes and projects from a YouTube training course. Like, subscribe, and click the bell to get instant notification of new videos. Check the video description for personal achievement resources from DIYMinddesign.com. Live long and prosper.